What is going on, YouTube? Welcome back to another video. Very happy to bring you guys back another sneaker video. Now this is going to be my favorite Air Force One drop in a while. If you lucked out on the Nike Air Force One Acronyms as well as the Nike Air Force One Travis Scott collaboration, this is a great consolation. This is the Nike Air Force One Swoosh Pack, the one with the detachable swooshes as well as the tongue, which I will show you guys later. And with all that being said, let's go ahead and get into it. Alright guys, for the first colorway we have it in black, and your box details read Air Force One 07 Quick Strike. And let's go ahead and open the box. And right off the bat you get all your swooshes. You have it in green, blue, pink, orange, a lighter red I guess. Let's go ahead and take it out of the bag. Comes in this long Ziploc. And yes, they are all Velcro. So, give you guys a closer look. Let's go ahead and check out the shoe. And the shoe comes with an all black detachable swoosh. As you can see right there. You can open up this heel tab right in the back where the swoosh lines up. And it comes right off. Alright, so here it is. The tongue, also Velcro. So if you guys have anything that you can attach onto this and customize yourself, you can do that as well. Other than that, it's your normal Air Force One. Let's go ahead and play around with the swooshes to give you guys an idea of the options you get when you purchase the sneaker. So basically, just line up your swoosh, like so. Lift up the pull tab so you can wrap the swoosh around the shoe. Close that up, and this is how it looks like. I do apologize if it's not focusing very well. I know the lighting isn't the best here. And there you have it. A lot of people like to go crazy as well. They like to add 2 swooshes, maybe 3. Which I've seen on the Travis Scott. I believe you can do the same with this one, so let's go ahead and try that out. Alright, maybe not so ideal, but basically what I did is I just left a little Velcro space right here so I can attach this swoosh. If you want to get all crazy, maybe do that. That's kind of cool. But the technique for this one is leave a little bit of space for the heel, for the Velcro to go through, because you don't want these detaching while you're wearing them. So yeah, you guys can get as creative as you want and just play around with the swooshes so you guys don't get that same old boring Air Force colorway that you guys always get. So you can play around with this, change the Velcro maybe. And yeah, that's the black colorway. Alright guys, moving on to the next colorway, we have it in white. But something I do want to note before you guys do purchase this online is that the swooshes you get for each colorway are completely different. For example, the black one I showed you guys, a light green, light red, pinkish kind of swoosh, a darker blue. As to the white ones, you get a darker red, dark purple, dark yellow. You also get a dark blue as well. Something that you don't get from the black Air Force One. So 2 complete different set of swooshes. So that is something that they don't tell you on the blog site. So something you guys maybe should have known. But yeah, let's go ahead and check out the white one. This comes with, of course, the white detachable swoosh. To my knowledge, the black one does not come with a white swoosh, and I think that sucks because the white swoosh is probably one of the cleanest ones if you guys want to just keep it simple. And oh yeah, the other thing I noticed about this Air Force One is we do get that little price hike, but we do not get that lace lock that we usually get with the Air Forces. So yeah, let's go ahead and play around with this colorway. Here are the options you get for the white one. Give you guys a closer look at the quality of the swoosh. Here you guys go. And let's go ahead and play with it. So for this one, same as the black one, just attach it. Let's go ahead and check what red looks like, just so that the sneaker would pop more. All right. Wrap it around. Close it up, and there you guys go. As simple as that. you have a brand new Air Force One. Very, very clean. Let's go ahead and try a different one. Let's try a blue one. So this is pretty cool, man. This is the kind of stuff I'm looking for when they make new sneakers. We're all tired of the same Air Force One, and for them to add these detachable swooshes is pretty cool. I honestly thought this would get annoying, but it hides the swoosh pretty well. Yeah, man, I just wanted to show you guys different options. I haven't seen too many videos on YouTube on this specific sneaker. It's pretty cool, man. Hey, if you guys are a Laker fan, why not, right? So let's go ahead. I'm sure a lot of you guys, LA fans, are gonna try this colorway for sure. All right, hopefully I'm getting that as well. Oh yeah, look at this. Yeah, that's pretty cool. So yeah, just wrap it around. It does get a little bit messy. Boom, look at that. Okay, that is kind of good. Yeah, you guys, I'm sure you guys will do a lot better than me, but you know, just play around with it. There's a lot of lace locks and stuff you can actually find on eBay. So if you guys really want to do the whole customization thing, go wild with it, man. I love how Nike gave us a lot of options for this one. These retail for $110, I believe, in the US, and these will retail $5,995 in the Philippines. And there you guys have it. I hope you guys enjoyed my video. Let me know what you guys feel about the sneakers. Which colored swoosh would you guys change around? Let me know how you guys feel about down below, and if you guys are enjoying the content, please go ahead and hit that thumbs up down below. It does go a very long way. And if you guys want to keep chopping it up with me on all my social medias, you guys can catch me under RalphMCFLYGUY. And that pretty much does it for my video. I'll catch you guys on the next one. Peace out, guys.
That's why I'm giving you my sideline.